Recovering deleted WhatsApp messages can be possible depending on how you have backed up your data. First step, check if you have a recent backup. WhatsApp typically backs up chats daily, either on Google Drive on the Android or iCloud on iPhone. So to restore your messages, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone and then reinstall it from the App Store. When you open the app and verify your phone number, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore a backup if one is available. Simply follow the instructions to recover your deleted messages. If you haven't set up a regular backup, you may still be able to retrieve deleted messages using your phone's local backup, Android only. Local backups are stored on your iPhone, on your phone, and are typically overwritten every few days. So to restore from a local backup, you're going to need to find an older version of the backup file and manually store it, which requires some technical knowledge or third-party software. For iPhone users, if you have a backup on your iCloud, you can restore your phone from an iCloud backup that was created before the messages were deleted. So the process, however, will restore your entire phone, not just WhatsApp messages. In cases where there's no backups, recovery may be impossible, making it crucial to enable automatic backups for future peace of mind.